My name's Adrian. I'm 15 and I'm from Toronto.
Okay, so you got to $1 million. You grew $30,000 to $1 million. What's your strategy been so far?
Well, in the mornings, I've been looking at big gainers with high volume and just kind of scalping it as it moves up. And then I'm scalping OTC penny stocks.
Penny stocks as well. And how did you come up with this strategy?
Well, I got to test out different strategies with the first challenge.
Hmm,
So at the end, I kind of saw this worked well for me, and yeah.
awesome. Do you have an investment portfolio outside of the competition? Like, do you do
Yeah.
it? Awesome. And then are you using this more to experiment, or how are you using the challenge?
Yeah, I am kind of just testing out different methods.
And do you find it's working for you? Like, would you take any of the methods that you learned in the challenge and try to use them?
Yeah.
When there was your actual money on the line, would you think it's too risky to do it, or would you be
Yeah, I'd take different risk management strategies, like 5% of my portfolio, definitely. But
awesome? Have you taken financial literacy classes before, or how did you learn all these strategies?
no, I kind of just did my own research, read a few books.
And how did you hear about the investment challenge as a whole?
Well, my dad, he worked at the Toronto Zoo, and basically I was invited to take the first challenge for free.
So how much investing experience would you say you have?
Probably 8 months.
And what are you hoping to get from participating in the challenge? What are some goals for you?
Um, I still just kind of want to like be able to use a bigger portfolio and test out different methods of trading just to learn.
So you do kind of want to take what you learned in the investment challenge and bring it into your actual investing portfolio.
Yeah.
Nice. What would you say to kind of inspire other kids to learn investing? Let's say there's a kid who's kind of hesitant, doesn't want to get into it. What would you say?
Well, the earlier you start investing, the better it's going to work out for you because the return on your investment, it's going to keep compounding. And so if you start earlier and go longer, you'll be making way more money.
What hobbies outside of investing, what hobbies do you have and what interests do you have outside of investing?
I play sports, hockey, baseball. I like working out, playing video games.
What are your thoughts on the GIC overall, the challenge overall, and would you do it again?
I mean, it's a great challenge. I have a lot of fun doing it. I mean, I definitely do it again. Yeah. Bye.